Let's see a CSS trick. So we can create this overlay on an image using only one CSS property. Let me show you how. So here I have created a div element, and for including the image I have used the background image property. Now if I want to create an overlay, what I can do is, we know we can use multiple background images using the background image property, and the background images basically get stacked on top of each other in the order that you specify. For example, here I have included one more background image, so this one will be on top as you can see, and the second background image will be behind the first image. Now to create an overlay, what you can do is you can use linear gradients. Linear gradients are also considered as background image in CSS. So I will write linear gradient, and we need complete red overlay. You can obviously create gradient overlays also, but for now we will create red overlay. So I will write the colors here. The format that I will use for defining the colors will be the RGBA format, where this is the RGB value of the red color and A stands for alpha, which controls the opacity. So I have set the opacity of red color to 0.5 because the overlays are kind of transparent. Now linear gradient needs at least two colors. So what I will do is I will simply copy this and I will use the same color twice. And that's it. Here linear gradient is on top, and since its opacity is low, we can see through it and it forms an overlay.